Hi everyone, it's Carlos Avalos here with NextHome Real Estate Rockstars. Happy New Year's. Hope your year is off to a great start. I want to take this time to invite you guys all to an open house that I'm hosting this coming Sunday from 1 to 3 p.m. here in Valencia, California, Santa Clarita Valley. If you're looking to purchase a property here in Valencia in a very desirable, prestigious neighborhood, then this property is for you. You do not want to miss the open house on Sunday from 1 to 3 p.m. It's in a very desirable neighborhood off of Magic Mountain Parkway, and for convenience purposes, it's centrally located, practically everything that you need. For example, not to exceed 5 minutes, you have Magic Mountain for entertainment theme park. You also have the freeway access. You have Valencia Town Center, also known as Valencia Mall. You have grocery stores. You have restaurants. You have Target. Everything within 5 minutes from the property. Speaking about the property features 2 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 1,900 square feet of living space, high ceilings, 2-car garage with direct access to the property, formal dining area, wood floors, indoor laundry area, a spacious loft. The kitchen features a farmhouse sink, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and as you proceed to the backyard, you see a covered patio in the backyard for you to entertain friends and family or just relax after a hard working day. Talking about the backyard connects to the Valencia golf course, so you can see from the backyard the green belt of the golf course. It's a stunning turnkey property. It will not disappoint you. The community itself has no Mello as well, so that's a plus. Sunday from 1 to 3 open house. Hope to see you there. Property address is 24812 Avignon Drive, Valencia, California 91355. This year, Rose and I have committed to helping as many clients as possible. Whether you're buying or selling, we would love to help you in the Santa Clarita Valley, San Fernando Valley, or adjacent cities. We specialize in these areas, and we would love to put our 20 plus years of experience to work for you. Hope to talk to you soon and be of service, and see you Sunday from 1 to 3. If you cannot make it on Sunday for whatever reason, but you are interested on this property and you would like to see it, that's not a problem. Call me or text me or send me a private message here on social media, and I'll gladly give you a tour at a later date. My telephone number is 818-399-4093, or you can always call or text Rose at 818-590-2077. Take care. See you Sunday. Talk soon. Bye-bye.